Hello everyone, this is Christy. Today I'm going to share with you a new product from XTOOL. And this one is the XTOOL Smart Press. And it comes with the XTOOL Smart Platform and a mini press. And these two can be controlled with this remote control. It's very convenient having a remote control and it's wireless. And I'm going to show you all the details of these heat presses and how you can use the remote control and how you can put this one into the smart platform, and this platform can graduate the pressure. Isn't that great? And I will make many samples, so watch this video until the end. I received the XTOOL All-in-One Smart Heat Press, and it comes like this, very well secure, and it comes in 3 boxes. In one box comes the mini press, then I got the smart press mat and the smart press. And in this box you will get the smart platform, and it comes in pieces. You just need to assemble and put them together. You can read in the instructions how to do it. Everything comes in there, even the tools. You just need to screw a few screws there for the legs and also for the part that is the handle. And the first step is to attach the 2 legs to the base of the platform. And when you are done, you are going to attach the base to the tube. And you need to align this one, so you need to put it on the side and match the screws to the tube. And the platform is ready. Now we are going to open this box, and here is the smart press. And as you can see, I'm getting all of the little bags and the control, and I'm going to grab the smart press and its base. And the next step is to attach this one with 4 screws, and this little piece is for connecting the smart press with the smart platform. Now this part is secure and it's ready to use it with the other base. You can see right here the plate, the base plate, and it's covered with Teflon. And this base measures 10 by 12. I'm going to turn to the other side, and we are going to connect. Okay, here is the power port, and that's the first thing that we're going to connect. And this one will go like this. And this one right here is the transceiver port, which is this one, this little thing. So we have to connect this part right here. After I plug the power, I'm going to pair it with the remote control. And now I'm going to turn the power on. As you can see right here, now it's on. And right here says how much has the battery life. And we can use the USB cable to charge this control. Now I need to hold up here for 3 seconds so they can pair, okay? So it's going to stop blinking when they pair. I'm going to turn it to the other side. And it has an orange color up here, can you see? And that's because it's on the preheating mode. And right here we can turn the knobs to increase or decrease the temperature. For example, I'm going to use it at 300 for 20 seconds there. Now the machine is showing a green light and it's ready to press. And here I have the mat, and I'm going to press on this canvas tote, and I will put it up here. And I'm using a standard HTV, And I'm going to cover with a Teflon sheet. And I'm going to put it this way because right here there are some bumps and the machine is going to cover only up here, see? So I'm going to get this one and I will put it on top and I will press this button so it can start the countdown. Don't forget to put pressure on the machine. This is done. And let's see. We're going to wait until this one gets cold so we can remove the backing. Now this one is cold and I'm going to peel the backing. And it did very, very well. See? Look. It says create memories and I love it. Very, very nice. Now we are going to install the XTOOL Smart Press on the XTOOL Smart Press platform. And this one is the button to control the pressure and it's going to be in the highest pressure. So we need to move to low. It's going to be counterclockwise. So when you put the machine, you will see, okay, you're going to close and fix that until you have the gap that you need for the mat and your clothes. Now I'm going to put the smart press in here. You're going to put in there and then push and you will hear a click. Now we are going to put the cord behind. This is what I'm saying, like if I press it's going to be very tight, so that's why I'm going to just move the knob. Now if I put this one, it's going to be fine. If you want to put more pressure because the item like the fabric, canvas or something is hard, and you just adjust the pressure on the knob right here. And now I'm going to set up the time that I need, and I already put at 320 seconds. I am going to heat press a t-shirt. You're going to place the vinyl, and this one is a Teflon sheet and the machine is not ready yet. So as soon as is in the temperature, we are going to press. Now the light is green and that means that the temperature is ready, and I'm going to press, and I'm going to press this button so it can count down. Now it made a beep and I'm going to just take this one out, and I have to let it cool for a little bit so I can peel the backing. Now this one is cold and I'm going to peel, and this is how it looks. And as you can see, the vinyl stretches with the shirt, so it's very good. Now I have this piece of wood and I'm going to add vinyl. I love to add vinyl because it has a very nice finish, and I'm going to just put it up here. Have to be straight, and I'm going to secure with tape so it doesn't move. Now I'm going to put it up here. I will add a Teflon sheet, and I'm going to lose a little bit because the wood is kind of thick. And it says that this one is ready. And I will see. Now I'm going to peel. And ta-da! You have a beautiful decoration. Lovely, right? Very nice. And this one is the XTOOL mini press, and I'm going to show you how it works. This is the mini press, and when you turn it on, you can control the temperature to light, medium, and high. But if we are going to use the transceiver, you can use the remote control, and that allows you to do exact temperature and time. See, so I'm going to connect, and you just need to take this part up here, okay, and we are going to put the transceiver right here. Now this one is plugged, and I'm going to turn the remote control, and it's going to connect with this one. I just need to turn this one. Now they are already connected, and as you can see, this one is going up. That means it's getting the temperature that I need. I'm going to put at 320 for 20 seconds, and I'm going to wait until it's ready. Now I'm pressing on this denim bag, and I'm using standard vinyl. And I'm going to put that Teflon sheet, and I'm going to put press start, and it's going to start the countdown. And now it's cold, and we are going to peel. And this is how it looks. Very, very nice. I have a baggie for random stuff that I really, really need. So cute. See? And now I'm going to press on this frame, and this is a print that I'm going to sublimate here. So I'm going to just center it, and always put tape so it doesn't move. So I'm going to do right here, word by word. I think it's done. And look, so beautiful. See? One of the things that makes this bundle special is that you can use the remote control, and this one is cordless. I love that. And it comes with a charging cord. You will see when the battery is low, and you can use this one with a mini press or with a smart press and set up the right temperature and the right time. And another thing is that you can attach the smart press right here, and you have a special platform where you can calculate the pressure. See, that's very good. This is great for beginners. You have everything. And here is another machine that I want to compare with this one because they are similar on how to use them, but this one is with remote control that is cordless. See? And this one, the remote control is attached like this one right here. See, you can control the same with buttons, and you have a big display up here and the power button, but this one is attached. And the size of the plate of this one is 10 by 12 inches. This one is 15 by 15. Can you see the difference of the size? And also this one is attached to the bottom and it's secure right here, so it doesn't move. But this one, when you put something, it moves, see? And as you can see, this one goes all the way to the back as well, see? But this part is detachable, so you can just use this one with the pad. And this one is just one piece and also has the knob for controlling the pressure, same as this one right here, see? And for the mini press, as you can see, this one is HTV round and this one is the XTOOL mini press, and these are the same size and they both are with cord, but this one can work with the remote control, see? And as you can see, you can make many kinds of decoration using the Smart Press. If you are interested in this bundle, the link is going to be in the description box. Let me know in the comments what do you think about the machine and which one is your favorite. And as always, thank you very much for watching my videos, for your likes, your comments, and for subscribing to my channel. Have a blessed day, everyone. Bye-bye.